Hello my beauties, thank you for tuning in to today's video. Today is going to be all about summer shoes. For some reason I didn't just have any shoes to like slip on and just go. I was wearing nothing but like my workout clothes and things, and I'm just like, okay, I need something cuter. I need something a little more fabulous that I can wear with like any outfit when I'm just on the go or just on the run. This with JustFab came in with the quickness, so I went onto their site. They're having this VIP sale. Your first pair is $10, and then the rest is history. I knew I only needed a couple, shoes, like I said, just to get me through the day. If I need to run to the grocery store, because guys, I know I haven't been going anywhere during this quarantine. With that being said, let's see some of these cute styles that finally came. So our first pair, the first pair that I have, and it's from this box here. I believe that every girl needs this sort of pump. This really beautiful and sexy pump. If you don't have a pump like this, you definitely need one right away. When I say we need a sandal like this, like look at that. And I tried them on and they just make my feet look so cute, and it's like a velvety material, so this doesn't snug at my feet a lot. It's not a weird material that it's gonna like dig into your feet, which I usually have a problem with this shoe style, maybe because it was leather. But yeah, this one's much more comfortable on the toe area. The chunky heel gives it that extra support that we all need, and this is just perfect for summer. As you can see, black is literally my favorite color. It's my go-to color, so yeah, these would be really pretty and gorgeous with. And again, I didn't have any flats. I didn't have anything to just slip on. For some reason, I don't know, but again, they came through with the quickness. I'm sorry, I'm just unboxing, and here are some gorgeous, seriously, really pretty flats with some bedazzledness going on in the front. Sorry, my light is really bright, can't really see, but look how cute those are. And it's more of like a gold detailing here. And I tried these on as well. They fit like a glove. Very true to size, I have to say. Very true to size. I will say, just when trying it on, this last little piece was a little irritant on my, like right in between my toe, and that's just for me trying it on. I knew, oh, you know what? It's a little straggly sticking out right at the tip. I guess I could just cut those off, I guess. But I noticed when I tried them on, there was something kind of poking at me right between the toe area, so that could have been it. But other than that, guys, these are super cute. Another shoe we should all just have, a really cute bedazzled, bejeweled, whatever you want to call it, sandal. So here, guys, oh my god, I'm so happy I finally found them, but I just did not want to pay $30, $40, $50 for this type of sandal. That really, guys, I used my first you get your first pair for $10. I used the $10 on this pair right here, and these are the Hannah sandals, the really popular and trendy clear heel. And sorry they look like that because I have worn them all around my house, just trying to get used to them, because these will be my birthday shoes. And yes, guys, these are just so adorable. I've really been on the clear trend lately, and it's just so effortless. It literally goes with anything. I can wear anything. And same with the black one. The chunky heel makes my feet so much more supported, and me getting a little bit older, I'm starting to opt out for chunkier heels. I don't have time to be breaking my ankle or my back. I got my kitties to run after, so I really needed to keep it simple but cute. On to the next shoe. I just have another flat, and this is what they look like. How freaking gorgeous. Just look at that. Like, I could wear these every day. Again, it's a perfect fit. All these shoes are size 8, and they are true to size. I thought the clear heels will be a little hard to get into because of the material, but I stuck with an 8. And again, guys, it's still true to size. It's still comfortable. Just look at that. Let me get a close up here. It's a lot of gold detailing. rhinestones, things like that. I don't know if you can see. But again, these are comfortable, and these I didn't really have an issue with in my toe area. These are a lot more sturdier than the other ones, but I thought these were so cute. Can you imagine these with some white pants and just like a t-shirt or like some type of blouse, chiffon blouse or something like that? Guys, I do want to say I had one more pair of shoes, but I had an issue with my last pair of shoes that I did not receive, but I did not want to prolong this video any longer. But I did have one more sandal that I purchased, but it did not come yet. So I'm tracking, and there's like no updates, there's no estimated delivery or anything. Why they didn't all come together, I don't know why. But I was a little frustrated because I kind of wanted to wear those for my birthday. They were literally just these shoes, but the black version as well. So this part here is black, this here is a little darker, but it's still clear. So, and I believe it's in the color smoke. So sorry you couldn't see that. I don't even think it'll be here in time for my birthday, so I'm pretty bummed out about that. But last but not least, guys, this pair right here, this is the first pair that I wore. I've been wearing these shoes every day since I got these shoes. I've been trying to you know, hold off until my last pair got here, but I couldn't wait. I have been wearing these shoes right here like crazy, and these are the most gorgeous sandals. I don't even know what kind of shoes these are called, but I didn't really like these kind of shoe style at first. I know they're becoming very popular and trendy, but when I saw this style of shoe, like the bedazzledness of it, oh my gosh, I've been wearing these literally, look, they're not even clean anymore. I've been wearing these like crazy, getting compliments everywhere. Every time I go to the grocery store, Walmart, anything, I've been getting nothing but compliments on this shoe here, guys. Now this shoe here is a summer staple. You need the shoe, and I believe they had other styles and variations of it, but this one here was perfect. Like, sorry, my light is just super bright. But this right here is perfect, guys. $10, $20 I believe were the sandals, and yeah, the rest is history, guys. I might go back to get a couple more. I've never ordered these many shoes before, so I wanted to give them a try. They were having an unbelievable sale, and I needed some summer shoes, some flats. So hopefully this video will give you guys some ideas, will help you to head on over there and cop you some too. But this was so much fun, and yeah, that's all I have for this video. If you like more videos like this, just thumbs up, give me a big old comment, give me a big old like. You have a wonderful and safe summer, and I'll see you in the next video.